Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. If today is your first time on this channel, you are welcome. And in today's video I want to make a fried yam and sauce. I have already washed and sliced the yam, and now I go in with my salt and trying to make sure the yam is coated with the salt. There is my oil, extra virgin olive oil. That's what I'm going to use to fry this yam. Now I go in with my yams already sliced, as you can see. Now I cover it up for it to steam very well. This is sweeter, guys. You need to try it, okay, and this batch is almost ready. So I cover it up a bit, okay, then I now open it. Okay, this one is ready. So guys, I basically repeated the same thing I did on the other one. Put it in, cover it for about 3 minutes, then I open it. Guys, you need to try this method. It's obviously sweeter. Okay, just cover it a bit, and then it's done. So guys, now it's time to prepare the sauce. I go in with my onions. So guys, this is still the oil that I used in frying the yam. You can change the oil and get a new one if you like, but I think this is still okay. That's salt, just a pinch. And then I stir. So it's now time to add my sliced tomatoes. Then I stir. Okay, I'm using Knorr cube to spice the food. Just 1 cube. Okay, that's my pepper. That's much. I usually add my pepper that way so that if the food is pepperish, I can easily remove it. Because the pepper I use here in Italy is really pepperish, so that's my method. My family don't like pepperish food. That's how I manage the condition. So I say it very well, working the ingredients through. Okay guys, I tested the food and realized that it needs more salt. So I added more salt to the food. After that, it's time to go in with my vegetable. I am using spinach and I have already washed it. So, working it through. After that, I will cover it to steam for about 30 seconds. Finally, it's time to go in with my eggs. Okay, so that's the egg to go in now. I'll cover it up and leave it for a few seconds. Okay, that's my sauce, guys. You can as well use this sauce for white rice. Okay, it's also very sweet. I hope this video helped you in any way. If it does, please consider to share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell for notifications to enable you know when next I upload new videos. And leave your suggestion on the comment section on what you would like to see on my YouTube videos and the topics you would like me to cover. And I will see you all in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe. As always, thanks for watching. That is it, guys. Bye.